Welcome to session 3 of the lesson, Families Can Be Different. We learnt about Sitamma's joint family, Tara's adopted family and Sara and Habib living together in the last session. In this session we shall learn about few more families and do exercises.
Totaram lives with his father, uncle and cousin brothers in a colony in Mumbai. Totaram and his brothers have come to Mumbai to study. His father and uncle work here. Everybody does the household work together. Food cooked by Totaram's chacha is liked by everyone. Totaram's father does the shopping. A part of the money earned is sent to Totaram's dada in the village. Totaram's mother, dada, daddy, chachi and younger brothers and sisters live in their parental house in the village. Once a year, Totaram goes to his village. He misses his mother very much. He writes long letters to her.
We see that Totaram is staying in Mumbai along with his father, uncle and cousins while mother and other relatives are in the parental house in the village. Also note, Totaram's father has to earn and send money to village. Totaram get to see his mother only once in a year. Let's answer following questions. How do Totaram's family members keep in contact with each other?
They write letters and make phone calls to keep in contact with each other.
Which members of Totaram's family live in the city and which live in the village? Why?
Totaram's father, uncle and cousin live in the city. Totaram's dada, mother, daddy, chachi and younger sisters and brothers stay in village. They are staying in city because Totaram's father has to earn money from the city and send part of it to family members in the village for living.
Excellent. In India many people come to cities from villages to work. Let's look at the Krishna and Kaveri's family.
Krishna and Kaveri live with their father. In the morning, all the three leave home together. Krishna leaves Kaveri at school and goes to college. Their father goes to the shop for the day. Kaveri returns from school in the afternoon. She unlocks the house and waits for Krishna. On returning from college, Krishna and Kaveri eat food together. Kaveri goes out to play after doing her school work. On returning she either plays carom with her brother or watches television. When father returns home, they cook food and then eat together. During vacations, Kaveri goes to stay with her mother. Krishna also stays there for a few days, but he likes to stay in his own house. All his things and his father are here.
Answer following questions. How does Krishna take care of his sister?
Every day morning Krishna leaves Kaveri at school and goes to college. On returning from college, he eats food along with Kaveri.
What activities are done together in the family?
Kaveri and Krishna play carom and watch television together. After father returns they cook food together and eat.
Well done. Now, let's do a quick recap on different families we learnt. We saw typical family of Tanya and Samar. Large joint family of Sitamma. Small adopted family of Tara. Sara and Habib staying together without children. Totaram staying in Mumbai along with his father to earn money. He is away from his mother and sisters living in village. Krishna and Kaveri living with father, away from mother. Even though families can be of different sizes, consisting of different relationships, what binds them together is love and affection for each other. Family members help each other, share household work, and spend time together in their leisure with joy and excitement. Having learnt about the different types of families, answer the following question: what are the things that happen in a family? Put a tick on those sentences which tell the various things that happen in families.
I think all these are correct answers. But these are very important aspects that bind the family. So let me read it aloud once. Members of a family often resemble each other. The family members love each other very much. One becomes a part of a family by being born or getting married into that family. Family members often live together in the same house. Elders in the family earn money for the family. Family members stay together even if there is a fight amongst themselves. In a family, children and the old are taken care of.
Excellent. That's right. With this we have come to the end of session 3 of the lesson Families Can Be Different.